to find the missing rib?
Through prayer now. If you dey pray, God will show you.
And you go pray about then when you dey move around, you go open your eye.
You know if you understand at the start, not until you don't start dating each other. Now then you go sabi from the girl character, say, this is the chosen one, or this is not.
If you find out for anywhere now, like E3, say you go E3 now, if you jam or you go to birthday party, anywhere, anyhow, nowhere where you no go find your missing ring now.
My missing rib, now prayers I'm gonna use. That is just it. If I pray to God, God get the way to do his things.
If you find your missing rib through prayers, when you want to marry like this, you start praying, begin to beg God, God, please show me my missing rib so that I can now marry illegally, I can now marry wrongly. Because some people do marry wrongly. But if you are talking about missing rib, what I understand by that is your main wife. Because the Bible tells us that one man has one wife. So while you are looking for your missing rib, you should submit yourself to prayers. You go around, you meet Maro, you go around looking for people, talking with people. From there, you can even find your missing rib again.
They're possible now. To find missing rib, get as it be now. But it all depends. If maybe possibly the person where you don't meet before you can get it anywhere. Restaurant, even as we are walking, even as they talk to me now, yeah, so if I don't study your behavior, say you do okay. If he talk to you, then if you accept, fine.
Yes, now welcome back. Now, BOBOS YARN on the watch. And matter what we talk about today concern how you fit find your missing rib. And if you just join us, we get two sexes inside the house. Sexy babes. Yeah.
You know, say how you go join their two names together. You won't nearly be like Catherine Jenner.
You know.
Yeta, these are two lovely ladies.
You are Shakara, you are a smart man.
Now,
you are a very smart
man.
Man.
We will talk of the how. Specific find in.
But before you go on the how, she was saying something where we did on our break. Say
it get one story where you be the tell of.
How get man and
how you marry your wife.
And they tell them say he get one matter where person bring come corner. Come talk say he get this madam and his husband. Come employ one megad. They all got they travel. Oh. The madam come begin the
crank megad.
Begin they look the megad well. Look am well. Look.
Just
say,
look.
Come transform this megad life. Oh. You no say nah in husband for life be that. Small time when the man come back and the husband being get another matter for outside. Before you know, the megad to carry his own matter come inside the compound, come they live with. We no say the yoga, they look the megad wife.
Oh wow!
And the husband, the wife,
they look the
megad. Not be smart,
Now destiny bring them come so.
Now they tell you now say this thing sometimes you get to do with spirit something,
Your mind must.
So your own how now spirit first. One of them are spirits.
I think if the connection destiny connects, the destiny connection go fit. Now I make sometimes maybe I don't waka, pray, tire, I know fit understand. Maybe now I make I not fit. So make una look well before una enter there.
Now,
okay.
My own how now sacrifice.
Okay.
You get some people we go meet for a relationship or I just begin date. Some people they love you, but they don't feel sacrifice something. If your girl feel just the problem now and you get one car, you understand? Because you never marry her, you understand? And some people if they never marry you, you know if you drive their motor.
Yes,
you understand? Yes. Me, I believe say that not be even true love.
But I try this motor thing. I give one girl my car when they go airport 2 weeks ago. I didn't think I would love me more.
Don't be that kind of
because one time you should not get
that kind of always say they give to expect.
I never give any
because
girl
you never want
give
where I come. You don't crack them before.
I never crack them.
Yeah, you know expect so.
I never crack in my whole life before. So I gave my car.
Now listen now. your girl, they go interview or something, and then you need that car to take go work too. And another Mario, but because rain they fall,
you sacrifice them.
You say use them, make
but
them not you.
But naturally, any man being a gentleman supposed to do that one.
No, suppose
to be your girlfriend.
Everybody, suppose I don't use car as example. You understand? But there are other things.
So you visit your house and a sacrifice.
Sacrifice when the person is sacrifice.
But me, I want to ask the ladies because I also know one thing. And I go ask her. I don't hear before say they say, and I'm still back to that cranking matter. Say through cranking, you feel know the person will be your real. Especially if you are a real cranker. You don't they crank many people for life.
And the cranky knows how to
cranky knows. So then you can't reach one. When we say you crank this one, even when you leave out, you go another person come back. That one. Does cranking the show?
And Laila no agree. You know how many guests I don't crank with it? Please don't ever leave me.
No, for you.
Will I not leave all of them now?
From the girl side to you. From the girl to you, it's different. Because you see, you are the cranker. And we know you.
She is the cranky.
Shakara has a man use man.
You can define another person. You know if you define yourself.
I don't want to use you now. Okay, sorry.
No,
but a man,
yes, full year you won't use me.
No, sorry, a man. For example, Shakara can always, if he crank, woman feel no forget. They say person will shit for road, they forget. But person will match them, no, they forget. You, they waka. You feel no send. But you see those women, for their mind, now only you, the receiver. Now only you be the only one you say, oh boy, I cannot crank.
For me, basically, when it comes to this cranking thing, I will still talk, say it depends on the individual. Why I will talk, I'm like, the cranky. You they feel me? Now, it can't also depend on how the cranker they do the moves.
Because you see,
take enter
let me tell you,
well.
Sex is spiritual.
Very, very.
You're right.
So
very, very.
It's a very key thing where if you take no. But I know we don't say now, we don't say scripturally.
But you don't say we don't see relationship self when we say when una crank finish, una can know just like una self.
That's why sex also they show.
Yes, so not true.
Yes, now. You get when you go just girl will tell you say any girl will tell you say if I sleep with you now, I no go love you again. Just know say naturally that one no be your own. Because if you sleep with me,
what about
but
the?
I know of somebody we marry person when you know they crank, when you know they enjoy the cranking. You understand? The person at my pally, so you go tell me. He married the woman, but he they prefer his ex cranking. He go say,
he no be person.
But he they happy in the marriage.
He they happy?
Yes.
No.
He they happy in the
That
marriage.
He died.
No. I don't believe that one. You know why I go say I don't believe her? Because how?
Wait.
Enjoyment get level.
Wait. Make we crank.
Okay. The truth of the matter, they say many family they together with many children where they enjoy their love life. But cranking with the woman, some got to think. I don't know. They got to think of one person before they go fit come.
But your song, when you play,
understand?
Your song say even your boo has a boo.
Wait. Again, waiting me one talk.
What I want talk now say, know how where you go dey inside marriage. You know they enjoy cranking with your wife. Come on, good day.
No, come on, the day.
See, man,
let me tell you,
everything gets solution.
Okay.
Man, I tell you, everything gets solution. If the woman where you be one married before, the cranking sweet but the character they bad, you don't go feel open your eye, go inside that kind of thing.
Yes,
so
character is key too.
What thing you go do be say, when you don't marry this one, where be say if you say a homely person, if you take care of your children and everything, you go teach her how you do enjoy them. And I too go follow, understand how, and I go take enjoy them.
Chai.
You understand? So before you know,
talk say you know fit, you know one virgin.
You say you know one virgin now.
You say you know one virgin. You want this person.
Maybe this is your
I want this person.
When we talk about
virgin, excuse me.
you
know one virgin. I want this person.
You go take fun and true prayer. Then you have to you go they committed to God through prayer. So if you pray through and you go know.
You go and pray to God. May you see waiting God feed you. You understand? If you be friend with your best friend, because if you won't marry, you don't you just marry anybody because you won't marry. You go marry person where you and understand each other. Maybe say if you do anything where you won't do with him. You understand? If you talk anyhow, not be say the one where you go just a phone for him. You won't please him all the time. Because if I won't marry now, I won't marry person where we say I fit talk anyhow, and as in, you could just take him as it be. Not be say you go to front for anything what I do. So with like that, I fit find my own missing rib. And if you go the right place, because you see when you go to the right place, that you will find your missing rib and all that.
Missing rib, if you think for Nigeria now, well, it's tough. It's tough to find missing rib, but for my own side, if you see person way like you go know. If you see person way like you, where you and date together, you go really know. And if you see person way no like you go know. And from that person way like you, if things work out well for you people, and I feed it together.
For my own idea now about values, it's all about the way you carry yourself, what you believe about yourself. It's not about going out there to look, say, this guy will like me. Just be yourself. Continue your life and all that. At the right time, the person will find you, sha. But just continue to add more value to yourself. And at the end of the day, before you know, everything will turn out well as you want. But it's not about carrying it on your head every day and waking up, say, my missing rib will just come, or you must come today. No, just do everything you need to do as a woman as well, or a guy out there. And don't stay there and be thinking that guy will find me, or me, I be girl, I find. It's not about beauty. It's about what you have as well to offer. By that time, it will happen.
Yes. We don't falling back on our sales. We don't come back. I see BOBOS YARN on top of Wazobia TV, and it hot inside back to.
I know. Say if
Caramel and Jella just they give us plenty things. So we say just the thing they really boost our head.
I bet don't rest. More retweets. I don't forget. Say yesterday we tell us say Odogu show where they happen on Sunday. Tickets. May you go. Tell us the 3 persons where the 3 artists. Five artists. No, 3 I talk, but 5 people now they give.
Okay, yes.
3 artists will go perform for that place. Then Chocolate Royale 2 will give out give voucher of 5,000 naira, and we said what we thought say we want.
May they tell us the address.
Tell us where Chocolate Royale is situated. But apart from that one, we won't give some 2 or 3 persons. People like Derigo.
Our regulars.
Derigo, I don't know where you did. They say you did which town?
She did Lagos.
You did Lagos. Okay, come, collect, give voucher. We also give Jen Lucky Nosa and Gresh Joshua Oluchuku. So you don't win 5,000 naira give voucher. So I'll go read this one. Gladys Abba, you did another town, Kogi. So we know if it say maybe you fly come, but something will reach you very soon. So Jen Lucky Nosa say, now if the person like what you like and hate what you hate, Grace Joshua Oluchuku say he go first sleep, then the first babe where he go see as he wake up the ABC. What the hell?
I don't really to get time because they don't tell me say we don't run out of time. Now, Jayla, in one sentence, how you feel say you go take no or find your missing rib, the right person for you?
He had now.
I
understand why he had.
Because number one, you not see ring for my hand. So how I want take no?
So as you did, so you defined. Tell us.
You define. For pidgin, they make things difficult. It's not English. Are you searching?
Are you searching it?
No. But when you define, you come like say you walk out for road.
Arena, sorry.
She never answered. She defined.
You define yes or no?
Let me tell you. If I be a man of God, before you leave here, you know you have a nose ring. That ring will turn into an engagement ring.
Amen.
Only you.
When I know person and I know say me and the person, we understand ourselves.
You know what?
It's not be all about love sometimes.
Don't talk plenty. I can clearly see we understand ourselves. You understand? There's no need for me.
For this job.
Oh, the other one, we're gonna get anything.
I go say, which you come outside the show.
Only you are here. Only you are.
Let's take a selfie.
Let's take a selfie.
Good night, selfie.
Take a pose.